For final quarter. Offensive foul draw. Sabi ni Rep. Tumuturo eh. Number 10. Final quarter na po tayo. Number 8. Wala. Di kumasa ang kamay. Number 3. Drive. Basket by number 3. Siya na lang ang lamang ng red. 34-33. Final quarter na po tayo. Number 10. Number 10. Wala. Nakakuha ni number 1. Pass to number 3. Basket by number 3.
Tama lang yan. Pressure defense. Sel, abuli mo yung may hawak ng bola.
Basket by number 10. 10.
Ben, bigay.
Number 3. Foul by number 10.
Soy.
First personal foul, first team foul. Number 3. Pass to number 5. Wala. Nakakuha ni number 10. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Uy, sayang. Wala. Di gumalaw yung kamay. Number 3. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Traveling by number 5. Score 36-35. Lamang pa rin ang red ng 1 point. 8 minutes and 12. Number 10. Foul by number 6. Number 6. Third personal foul. First team foul. Kaya upo na upo. Pagsubit si pangalawa. Okay. Second try. Number 1. Pass to 41. Number 3.
Lapit, lapit.
Number 3. Foul by number 8. Sub na. Sige. Shooter. Wala pa ba? Sub. Number 3. Ano penalty? Ano? Free throw. Ako shooting. 7 minutes and 49.
Patanong ng oras.
7 minutes and 47. Number 5. Wala. Nakuha number 10. Number 10. Nice pass. Wala. Wala nga. Number 22. 7 minutes and 23 seconds.
Pasa ng bola, oh.
Nahuli ni number 11. Nakuha number 6. Sinira. Wala. Number 5. Basket na. Lamang na ng isa ang white. 37-36. 7 minutes and 3 seconds. Number 10. Wala. Nakuha number 5.
Pass break.
Nakuha number 1. Foul by number 6. Number 6. Fourth personal foul. Warning to graduate.
Para babahin lahat.
Number 6. First try, wala. 6 minutes and 49 seconds. Final quarter.
Baba.
Second try, wala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 1. Number 11. Basket by number 11. Labang ng isang red. 38-37. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Oh. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 22. Basket. Galing.
Pressure defense kayo, sayang oras.
Oy!
Pagurin nyo na sarili nyo. Medyo mo na.
Number 20. Number 10.
Nice, Bryce.
Basket by number 10. Lamang ng isa ang red. Number 22. 5 minutes and 57 seconds. Number 3. Foul by number 1. Number 1.
Press up ka.
Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Norris, saban ka.
5 minutes and 52. First try, basket. Second try, wala. Nakakuha ni number 11. Pass to. Pass sa kalaban. Galing. 22. Wala. Mobra. Nakakuha ni number 5. Naagaw. 22.
Sure na.
22.
Yes, wala.
Wala. Nakakuha number 10. 1-on-1. Basket by number 10.
Kaya time out po.
Okay. 5 minutes and 12. Time out ha. Ball by number 10. Five minutes and 10 seconds. Time out, White. 5 minutes and 10.
Mel, nangyari? Jacket? Pahinga ka muna.
Number 10 ng red. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Another one bites the dust. Ow! Another one bites the dust. Hey, hey! Another one bites the dust. Hey!